everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and install or download a YouTube app right there in your mobile phone. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're gonna go and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go open your Play Store or App Store right there in your mobile phone. Once you open it, you're gonna go to search bar and type in the name of your app. Type in YouTube, and then you will get this search options, right? So we have YouTube right here. So as you can see, I have installed this app. So for you to download or install, you will see this get option here beside your app, or here in this, instead of open, since it's downloaded, I am seeing this open option. Then when it's done installing, here in your mobile phone it will show this open option. Let me show you another example. For example, so if I search Roblox, I can simply go and see this download icon, right? Simply go ahead, tap on that icon, and it will start getting download. So that is the same for your YouTube app right there as well. Go ahead, do that, and you will simply be able to download or install that particular app right there in your mobile phone. If it's an Android, you will see this, you go to Play Store and find that install option right beside. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.